I got him catching it.
Good boy.
Hey, no.
Looks like a boy.
To the bear. Tell Daddy what that is. Dalton, tell Daddy. Say bear. He's waving to the bear. Let's go see the next one. Let's go see this one over here. You gotta let go. Oh, let's go this way. Let's go see this one. Go see this baby. There's the baby. Say that. No, that's not. Say bear. Say bear.
It's not working.
Gonna get a lot of ground. Go to the next one. There's not one in there. There it is. There it is. Say bear. Say bear. No, you can't stand up on Mommy's leg. You'll fall. Say bear. Look at the bear. Okay, on baby. Huh? Huh?
She said as soon as she got done that side over there, she was going to let the bear, the cubs come out. That's what I want to see, the cubs. She's going to be over here.
Hey!
David, come get this picture. Hurry. David.
I got that picture of him doing that.
Tell your daddy, come here. I want the picture.